Welcome back to Healthy Tips Tuesday. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your weight loss journey or someone who wants to take it to the next level, I've got you covered. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss a video. And now let's jump right in. Hey everyone, and welcome in. My name is Melissa. If you are new here, I create videos helping people out along their weight loss journey. About 5 years ago, I started researching sustainable weight loss, and now I love sharing everything that worked for me with you. In today's video, we're going to go over the top 3 cooking oils for weight loss. These are the ones that I use to saute with, drizzle over my salads, drizzle over vegetables, and they're the top 3 that are going to help you along your weight loss journey. Let's go check them out. On my channel, you will find a variety of weight loss tips. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. I upload new videos each week. All right, so coming in at number 1 is coconut oil. I absolutely love coconut oil and I use it every day. It is high in medium chain triglycerides, MCTs, which have increased energy expenditure and they promote your fat loss. Coconut oil also has an appetite suppression component to it. The MCTs in the coconut oil have been shown to increase feelings of fullness and reduce your appetite, which can help prevent overeating throughout the day and support your weight loss. So I try to get coconut oil into my system early in the day, and then I get to reap all those benefits throughout the rest of the day from that appetite suppression. I love sauteing vegetables and fish in low heat with the coconut oil, and it contains lauric acid, which has been linked to improve satiety so you're feeling satisfied and reduce your calorie intake throughout the day. I'll tell you a little trick I actually do with coconut oil. I stir a teaspoon into my coffee into the morning. It has fat burning properties. The MCTs in coconut oil have been shown to promote fat burning and increase the rate at which the body burns calories. So, this is probably my favorite component of coconut oil. Number 2 is probably a household staple, and I am hoping that you are using it on the regular. It's extra virgin olive oil. It's high in monosaturated fats, which aids in your weight loss. It also contains antioxidants and anti inflammatory compounds that reduce inflammation within your body and supports your weight loss. I use extra virgin olive oil as the base of all my homemade salad dressings. It's because it has anti inflammatory properties. Extra virgin olive oil contains powerful antioxidants and anti inflammatory compounds, such as olecanethanol and oleurobane, which can help reduce an inflammation in the body. Check out my other video. I make it about homemade salad dressings, and extra virgin olive oil is such a great base to use. I really have enjoyed and learned so much about researching about weight loss. Extra virgin olive oil can help combat against chronic inflammation, which has been built up in our bodies over the years. Chronic inflammation is associated with weight gain and obesity, so consuming extra virgin olive oil regularly can help support weight loss by reducing that inflammation in your body. We have to fight against it. It's already been built up and we have to put the right ingredients into our body to start to work against it to get the weight loss results we want. And here's one that I think we can all appreciate. Extra virgin olive oil has been shown to boost metabolism and increase the rate at which the body burns calories. So that is definitely going to be something that I want to start incorporating into my daily meal plan. Saute your vegetables, drizzle it over your salads. Just figure out a way to be getting the extra virgin olive oil ingredient into your body. And this is another one that I found so interesting. Extra virgin olive oil can help support weight loss efforts by promoting fat burning and enhancing the body's ability to use stored fat for energy. So, just by getting a couple tablespoons into your body, it's going to start to go to work at that fat storage that's already been built up in your body and start to break that down for you. And coming in at number three, we have avocado oil. It is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It helps to reduce inflammation in your body, and it also has a high smoke point. What does that mean for us? It makes it a great option for cooking at higher temperatures without compromising the health benefits. Avocado oil also contains healthy fats, which can help regulate your blood sugar levels to reduce your cravings throughout the day. And it promotes that feeling of fullness, making it easier to stick to a healthy weight loss meal plan. It's also rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Avocado oil is packed with antioxidants such as vitamin E and carotenoids, which can protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. We're going to keep going back to that. That inflammation that has been built up over years, we need to start putting these ingredients into our body to start to combat that. And avocado oil is going to help you with that. So there you have it. Those are my top three favorite healthy weight loss cooking oils. I hope this helps motivate you to start incorporating these into your daily meal plan. Check out my other videos. I have tons of weight loss tips that are going to help you on your weight loss journey. And remember, it is a journey, so trust in the process. Start incorporating these small changes each day, and I promise you, pretty soon you are going to see and feel the results. Take it one day at a time and be so proud of yourself each day. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please take just a moment to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And if you're looking for more healthy weight loss tips, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I have three great playlists. I upload a new salad each week, a new weight loss smoothie each week, and every Tuesday I talk about a healthy weight loss tip that has helped me to achieve sustained, maintained, long-term weight loss. I so hope you will be part of this community. Remember, weight loss is a gradual process. It's important to focus on sustainable habits rather than quick fixes. Consistency really is key. Check out some of my favorite meal prep kitchen gadgets to help keep you on track for reaching your weight loss goals. They're all linked in the description box down below.